In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install NotebookLM on your Android device, whether it's a phone or a tablet. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. To begin with, grab your Android device and locate the Google Play Store, which is the primary marketplace where you can download apps for your phone or tablet. It generally has a colorful icon and is probably already on your home screen or app drawer. Give it a tap to open it up. Once you're in the Play Store, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Click on that search bar and then type in NotebookLM. You might also find it listed as Google NotebookLM, since it's developed by Google LLC. This app is designed to help you manage your notes efficiently, offering a seamless experience across your devices. After typing the name, hit the search icon, often represented by a magnifying glass, to find the app in the store. Following your search, you should see NotebookLM appear in the results, typically at the very top. Tap on the app's icon or name to go to its detailed page, where you'll find an option to install it. There will be a green button that says Install. Go ahead and press it. Your device will begin downloading the application. Depending on your internet connection speed, this might take a moment. You'll see the progress right there on the screen, so stick around while it completes. Once the installation is finished, the Install button will transform into an Open button. Tap this to launch NotebookLM for the first time. Now that you have the app open, you'll need to log in with your Google account, the same one that you possibly use for Gmail or other Google services. This step is important because it syncs NotebookLM with your Google services, ensuring that all your notes and data integrate seamlessly across platforms. If you're already signed into your Google account on your device, some of this might happen automatically, but do follow any prompts to provide additional details if requested. Just like that, you have successfully installed NotebookLM on your Android device. Navigating the app should be fairly intuitive, but take a moment to familiarize yourself with its features and settings. Feel free to explore and customize according to your needs. Whether you're a student managing class notes or a professional organizing tasks, NotebookLM offers a robust platform to keep your information streamlined and easily accessible. If you have any questions about using the app itself, stay tuned for more videos where we'll dive into some tips and tricks to make the most of NotebookLM. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.